Welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to learn a song by Obi Shine, You Are So Good, and I'm going to be playing in the key of B flat. Alright, now the song has a very simple progression. In the key of B flat, it's 1 and then 4. 1 4 1 4. That's the whole progression and the whole song. So you are so good. So in the key of B flat, you're going to be playing B flat and then F on your left, and then you can play your B flat, C, D, and then B, F on your right. So you play the two lines. Now from the beginning of the song, you can, you are playing chord 1, right? So you can, play your options. You can play a suspended chord. Your suspended chord is B flat, C, and then F. Alright, so for your chord 4, you're going to be playing E flat, B flat, E flat, and then I combined the two. Actually, this is the chord. It's a E flat, F, G, and then B flat. It's your major ninth. On chord 4, it's a major ninth. So I'm relatively playing to the beginning and then adding the 2 and then continuing the chord. It could be like this if so you can play like this. So these chords should be able to help you play the song. And don't forget to subscribe and then leave a comment. Thank you for watching.